Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool which will very helpful for our research paper writing, especially doing literature review. There are many tools available in the market like chat with PDF tools. So in this, you can upload your document, that is PDF document, and then you can you can generate a according to the input prompt you are giving, you can generate a better content. So here also you can upload your document. Other than that, you can analyze the document. So you can find the most relevant document related with that particular research paper. So that also very important. So it has many unique features which not many of that chat with PDF like tools have. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will works out. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online MATLAB workshop on power converter modeling, design and application. So in this workshop, we are going to design the parameters of converters, that is especially buck and boost converters, and then we are going to make open loop simulation and closed loop simulation with that converters with PID controllers, and we are going to show live PID tuning of this particular converters, and then we are going to connect it with renewable energy source as its input, so that is PV and wind as its input. So after that, we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in designing converter for EV charging station and basics of converter design, so this will be a better opportunity for you. Make use of this option and you can attend this workshop. You can find the link for the registration in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Keenious AI. So it is here, this is the dashboard of this Keenious AI here. So here you can see Keenious will analyze the text in your document and recommend interesting research for you to explore. So this is a specially designed tool for research paper writing. So here you can see that. So these are the important options, how to make out this, how to work out with this Keenious AI. So we will explore one by one. So here there are three options are available. So here you can see that PDF, URL and text. So whatever you can copy and paste, that will be shown as a text. You can ask the text, you can analyze that particular text, and also even if you went through any search in your internet, if you find that particular particular blog or topic which is useful for your research paper writing, you can copy and paste the URL and you can analyze the content. So after that, as like in many tools, you will be having this PDF. You can upload your PDF and you can get your PDF analyzed. So first I am going to upload a PDF. So in that you can select choose PDF. So here you can see that the PDF I have uploaded. So here you can see that. So before that, I am going to show that what is the PDF, what is the topic I have uploaded. So this is the topic, the PDF I have uploaded, that is dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for grid interactive PV battery system. So this is the topic I have uploaded. So go to here, you can see that the same paper will be shown here. So here this is the paper. So after that, you can see the important thing with this particular paper is that, so you can see that most relevant research papers related with the topic will be showcased here. So here you can see in this you can see that dual active bridge and matrix converter based 3-port converter topology for grid integrative PV system. So here you can see 3-port converter with decoupled power control strategies for residential PV battery system. Next you can see that an integrated topology for 3-port converter for PV battery power system. So like that you can see that text, the first 10 will be showcased here. So if you want to more, you have to go for upgrade option in this Keenious Plus. So you can get the 10 most relevant reference paper related with that particular research. So this is very important. So this is how you can search the most relevant reference paper using this one. So after that, you can click an option called topics. So here you can see these are the different topics related with that particular paper: electrical engineering, computer science engineering, electronic engineering, voltage, power, photovoltaic system. So next, boost converter, battery, port circuit theory. Next, converters, forward converter, topology, electrical circuits, energy storage, maximum power point tracking, 𝐶 converter, flyback converter, control theory, transformer, renewable energy, buck converter, automotive engineering. So like that you can see the, that is, you can see the in this topic option. So you can see the topic option. So if you want more topics, so you can search here. So in the search tab, so you can search whatever the important topics you want. So this is what you can do with Keenious AI. So you can get the best reference paper and you can analyze the PDF. So next important thing is that highlight search. So here this is the option called highlight search. So your highlighted text will influence your results more than the rest of the document. For example, if you are interested in a particular section of this reference paper, so for example say modulation and control, so you can highlight that particular point. So here your highlighted text will influence your results more than the rest of the document. So here you can see that here you can selected this particular space. So according to that the topics will be showcased here. So here for modulation and control strategy, so you can select that particular content. So like that you can select every section of your reference paper. So thereby you can get a better idea about the particular section you are selecting. So this is very important. So here you can see the step by step example. So here I am going to give that highlight search. So here you can see that when you are working with a large piece of text like a thesis or a longer assignment, there can be situations where you would like to explore research only on specific parts. So highlighting a particular parts of that text from a sentence to multiple paragraphs. So here you can see that so this is how we have to do. So select any particular section of that paper or any thesis what you are going to upload. So for that only your text will be highlighted as it is shown for us also. So here you can see your highlighted text will influence your results more than the rest of the document. So like that also you can do with this Keenious AI. So next is similar articles. We have seen that similar articles, just click on that. So like that here you can see the similar articles related with the particular topic you have chosen. So after that you can see the citation count also. So how much the paper is cited. So like that you can see the citation count. So next important thing is that year filtering. So you can filter year wise. So if you want to search the most relevant research papers or reference papers, so you can use this filters option. So like that you can use this Keenious AI as a search engine. So and also you can find the most relevant reference papers using this Keenious AI. So this is how you can use Keenious AI. So if you are struggling still, so you can search this help center. So it will explain very easily and very better. So you can make use of this option. So this is all about Keenious AI. So if you want any that is URL, so you can use that URL option to upload that. So give that URL. That particular that is URL will be discussed in this particular Keenious AI. So and also what you can do is you can copy and paste the text also in text format also. So if you are having a Word file, so you can copy and paste the text also. So from that text it will analyze that particular text. According to that it will generate the most recent articles and topics relevant to your research paper. So this is how you can use Keenious AI to make your reference list very strong, and you can find the most relevant reference papers very easily for literature review. So next, upgrade to plus. So here you can see that, so you can use this free Keenious AI for free. So here you can see that that is top 10 results, analyze up to 1000 words, highlight up to 100 words, 1 day cross language search, smart books. So this comes under free plan. So for individuals, so you can go for subscription option. So $10 per month. So top 1000 results. So here only 10 results. So here you can see top 1000 results. Unlimited document length. You can select any number of documents and you can highlight any number of words. So here it is only up to 100 words only. So next, unlimited highlight length, 10 daily cross language searches. So like that. So this is all about this Keenious AI. Go on and explore and play with this Keenious AI to get most relevant reference paper with for your research paper writing, for making literature review. Hope this video will bring an hour about this Keenious AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.